Yes, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself in the language in which you are comfortable.
Yes, sir. Sir, I completed my primary education in my village. Then secondary and higher secondary education I completed in nearest town. Then I got admission into Early College of Engineering, where I completed my BTech in Instrumentation and Control Engineering. In last year of engineering, I appeared for GATE examination. In that examination, I got all India rank 60. So after getting that score, through that score, I got a job into BPCL as an officer. In BPCL, I have been posted in Cochin Refinery, and recently in March 2019, I got promotion as an assistant manager, and in June, I completed 3 years in my BPCL. Apart from professional things, my hobbies are like playing cricket and watching cricket also.
This is a habit. This is not hobby.
Yeah, it was my hobby, sir, because
This is
when
like
I was
a religion in our country.
yes, sir, he accepted. But when I was in college, I was a part of my college cricket team, and I was doing in an academy, one of the academy, SPSS. So where I used to practice on the professional with the professional players.
What is your motivation for joining this service?
Actually, sir, when during my engineering time, I used to work on many events and all. So at that time, I was working with many people. So at the time itself, I decided I will be appearing for civil service examination, because this is the job which can provide me the amount of opportunity to work on diverse on the diverse sectors. And one more thing is that I feel that whatever I have gained in last 3 years, that can be very well utilized in this job. And one more reason is that behind appearing for this examination is I wanted to work in Gujarat. So that is one of the reasons.
And to work in Gujarat.
Yes.
Okay.
So, after doing your job in BPCL, the most
What is the code?
code is
E78.
you are doing a good job there in whether you are managerial capacity, having good salaries there in BPCL, one of the best companies among government PSUs. Doing all that only just for coming into Gujarat, you are selecting this civil services.
Sir, actually, when I was in college at that time itself, I decided I will go for civil service job. But I was actually doing good in my engineering also. So at that time I decided first I will go into any core engineering organization where I will be able to use my engineering skill. And after that, gaining the experience in my core engineering field, I will.
What are your preferences?
My first preference is deputy collector, gas cadre, then DYSP, then assistant tax commissioner.
So, do you know anything about magisterial function of DC?
Yes, sir. So whenever deputy collector is playing the role of magistrate, then he will be called as a SDM, subdivisional magistrate. At the time, he will be playing the role of magistrate in criminal as well as civil laws. As
Criminal and civil.
both. Yes.
So, what is executive?
Executives, if we will divide our total.
Executive magistrate actually.
Sorry, sir, I don't have idea about it.
And then what is judicial magistrate?
Judicial magistrates.
What is the difference between judicial magistrate and executive magistrate?
So I think judicial magistrates are those magistrates. Those are actual judge of the civil court, and
Then SDM is not a judge.
SDM will be, now I can recollect that one. SDM will be the executive magistrate who will be delegated judiciary. So that will be executives will be playing the role as a judge in the judiciary.
Suppose you are a sub-division magistrate and you have to deal with a big mob, violent mob. So what is the course of action?
First of all, I will talk with the SP and the other SP of that particular region, particular district, and then I will talk with him and I will get the total information, what are the ground realities, what is happening exactly, and then I will ask him based on the realities, he should properly mobilize the manpower, police force he has to mobilize. Then if the situation is like worse and if that requires my presence, I will immediately go there and I will like talk with.
Everything is there. You are having enough number of police. You are having the weapons and everything, and the mob is violent. They are not going to tolerate any of the thing. They are pelting pistol towards you. So now controlling this mob for law and order for this purpose. What is the course of action?
First of all, sir, there will be the standard operating procedure for like dealing with the mobs. So in that action, first of all, they will try
That is
to.
what I am asking. What is the standard operating procedure?
Yes, sir. So in that procedure, first of all, they will try to keep the people away from the main
There
center.
they will not go. You are there.
Yes, sir. So whoever people are there with me, like police, all the police forces, I will, with the help of my police officers, I will help them to instruct to keep the people away from the center.
Sir.
Okay. You have done your BTech from instrumentation and control. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then BEd, then coaching refinery,
Yes, sir.
and then civil service. The reason you want to be in Gujarat.
No, sir. That is not the only reason.
Okay.
Actually, during my college time itself, I decided like I want to work on a diverse platform. My current job is like I am playing a very specialized role.
Okay.
So I am like core engineering field role only I am playing.
Okay.
So I wanted to always work on the platform which can provide me the enough opportunity.
Okay.
So I wanted to work in diverse field like.
Your second preference is DYSP.
Yes,
So what a diverse role you will play in police?
sir. In DYSP, actually the roles and responsibility and authority which the DYSP is having, that is huge. He is the like in charge of that region where he is
In
placed.
life of DYSP, entire life you have to do policing.
Yes, sir. But
This
policing
is a
is
much more autonomous work than that of this instrumentation. Because this instrumentation will be changed there in VPC. And here
Only two things in police: traffic, law and order. Traffic, law and order. What is diversity involved in that thing?
sir, it is the challenges which they are facing and the role which they are playing, that is much
what
difficult.
challenges are there? There is a law and order only, and the second is investigation.
Okay, okay.
Sir, yes, enforcement.
Now what is this? What is the very diversity in this tax officer?
Tax officer, actually he will be having the much bigger authority and responsibility than my
But
current role.
doing what? Entire life.
Okay, so first your reason for joining civil services Gujarat. Second was diversity. Third was you need some challenge. That's why you are going for police. So in assistant commission of state tax, what challenge you will face day to day life?
Sir, frankly speaking, sir, I came to Gujarat before 2 days only. So the roles of all these three posts is like I have got the material, but I have not gone through the proper role. So still I need to work on that one. So once I will go through that, I will exactly come to know what is the role which they are playing.
Yes.
But my honest motive for this job was like I wanted more responsibility and more authority. So with the help of authority, I will be able to play my responsibility in very well manner.
Okay.
But definitely the exact roles which they are playing, I don't know.
Narayan Murthy has once remarked 80% of engineers in our countries are unemployable. Okay. So you come in 80% or rest 20%?
I was employed after my graduation, so
Okay.
in the field same.
20%. Being employed and being employable is same?
No, sir. In my opinion, both are different actually.
Different.
Being employable means the person has the capability to get the job and to play his role in the particular job. But due to some certain circumstances, if he is not getting the job, then he may be employable, but he may be called as unemployed if he doesn't get the job.
Okay. Say tomorrow Narayan Murthy meets you and he says that I don't consider you to be a good engineer. How you will justify and prove yourself that no, I am a good engineer?
First of all, I will tell him, sir, like I was good in my engineering graduation study and I did good in GATE also.
Okay.
After getting into job also, since last 3 years, 2 years performance has been declared so far, and in both year I got above 90, means excellent grading,
Okay.
and I have done certain jobs, like I have completed some of the targets which has been given to me, specific to my job. So in which I have been given the recognition from our department head and even the executive director of the refinery also. So in my opinion, I have done this kind of job in my field, but still there is a lot of scope for improvement. So he's like great personality, and I will definitely ask him, sir, tell me the things which I need to work on, and definitely he will be able to tell me so many things which I am lacking in.
Correct, correct. Okay. Tell me one thing. Every year in a winter season, there is a hue and cry about air pollution in Delhi. And air pollution in Delhi is majorly caused by diesel-powered vehicle. So why diesel is a major source of air pollution?
So actually diesel, that is the characteristic of fuel itself. So diesel, if you have the IC engine, that will be running by diesel. So those engines will emit more SOx, NOx and SPMs compared to our petrol engine. So by that, by technological mechanism itself, that is called dirty fuel compared to petrol.
So why don't we build a petrol-powered vehicle?
Sir, actually there are the limitations of the IC engine. So if you have the bigger vehicle which requires more power and more thrust, you have to have the diesel engines. But nowadays still technologies are developing, and Maruti Suzuki have recently declared, like from 2020 they will stop their all cars, and all like bigger cars also they will develop in petrol itself. So now technologies are developing, and I think petrol.
How much percentage maximum blending is possible in petrol by ethanol?
Yes, sir. Right now 10% is allowed, but we are facing the scarcity shortage of the ethanol. So in many of the states we are not able to do the proper blending because of unavailability of the ethanol.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So we will start the feedback. So how was your experience?
Starting itself, I have been asked the questions where like I have not worked, because before 2 days only I came here. I tried a lot to get this detail on Google, but I failed. So after coming to here, I met all my friends and I collected the material of the roles of all the posts for which I am appearing. But I have not gone through so far. But my interview is on 25th of June. So definitely I will work on those things, and I am planning to meet one of the deputy collector also, serving deputy collector.
Okay.
So
you will get a better insight.
So that is the
Correct.
thing.
So the negative part of your interview was you were in too much hurry in starting. You were too quick. But starting में वो प्रॉब्लम था, but लास्ट में क्या था, you have slowed down a bit, और आपका जो आंसर था it was on expected line, it was more direct, but in starting में वो नहीं था. In last
मैं मैनिपुलेट कर रहा था, सही में बताऊं,
हाँ.
मुझे पता नहीं था, उस टाइम पे मुझे शायद बोल देना चाहिए था कि इसमें मुझे अभी भी काम करना बाकी है, but before the date of interview I will work on that.
Okay. फिर आपका जो ड्रेस है इनर ब्लैक है और वाइट है, तो इट इज कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग, तो बाहर से भी विजिबल है, तो मतलब ऐसा ड्रेस पहना जो कॉन्ट्रास्ट ना करे.
सर मैं ब्लेजर पहनने का सोच रहा हूँ.
हाँ, इट विल वर्क, है ना, बट फिर भी ट्राई करना कि इनर जो है वो वाइट ही कलर का हो, जिस कलर का शर्ट है, नहीं तो कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग हाँ बहुत गंदा दिखता है. और शर्ट पे व्रिंकल्स बहुत है, तो व्रिंकल फ्री शर्ट ले लेना, है ना.
मैं एक्चुअली अहमदाबाद से गांधीनगर से आया, तो वो
अच्छा उसकी वजह से हो गया. ओके,
उसका मैं आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ दैट थिंग.
हाँ, टेक केयर ऑफ दैट थिंग. Rest your profile is good. You have good knowledge about technical, and that we are confident that if anyone asks you a question about technical part, you will
But
be able to
then you
answer.
be specific and be brief. Some of the times you are going too much long. Be brief and be specific. And this job profile related to all this DYSP, you have to go through Bombay Police Manual. You are police manual. You have to go to
I have got those
CRPC
manuals also.
or SDM and DYSP. Okay? And say no where. That is what you have admitted. That you say no where you are not knowing.
Sir, the motive behind selecting this service. So
Your motivation is fine. आप इसको ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि there I was doing a job which was monotonous in nature. So I try to explore this opportunity, and here my work will have direct impact on society. The profile is diverse, as well as I will have authority to do some work. So these are the real reason जिसके लिए आप आ रहे हो.
honestly, that is why I choose.
हाँ तो ये दिस आर द ऑनेस्ट रीजन
Or
और
don't tell that you want to go come to Gujarat.
सर उसके पीछे भी एक रीज़न है
No,
एक्चुअली।
don't tell anything.
वो क्या होता है
You are knowing, no? Why you are mentioning that?
वो
you
होम
know?
सिकनेस जैसा लगेगा ना फिर।
एक्चुअल में ऐसा नहीं है।
ओके
अगर मैं होपफुली चाहता था कि अगर वो पूछेगा तो मैं इन पे आंसर करूँगा, क्योंकि मेरी फियांसी है जो गुजरात में टीचर है सर, वलसाड़ में।
ओके
तो मैं उसको नहीं चाहता हूँ कि वो मेरी वजह से जॉब क्विट करे, क्योंकि अगर मैं बीपीसीएल में रहता हूँ तो आई विल बी देयर ओनली।
बट इसका देखो इसका भी ये चीज हो सकता है कि यू आर बीइंग टू सिलेक्टिव अबाउट योर एरिया ऑफ प्लेस ऑफ वर्क। सपोज वो वलसाड़ में है तो यू विल नॉट लाइक टू बी इन मेहसाना, यू विल नॉट लाइक टू बी इन कच्छ, है ना। इन नॉर्मल टेंडेंसी है यू वांट टू बी देयर, तो ये जरूरत ही नहीं है ना बोलने का।
वो लाइन में अवॉइड कर सकता हूँ।
हाँ यू कैन अवॉइड दैट थिंग। प्रोफाइल इज गुड, यू विल डू गुड इन टेक्निकल, सो वो तो अच्छा है ना। इफ एनी स्पेसिफिक डाउट है
तो बस वही था, तो मैं वो चीज़ मेंशन नहीं करूँगा।
हाँ।
और वीकनेस पे अगर वो पूछे तो अभी तक
आपका रियल वीकनेस क्या है?
रियल वीकनेस वही था कि मतलब मैं थोड़ा हमेशा जल्दी में मतलब कोई चीज़ को मतलब कोई
ऑब्जर्व
चीज़-
कर लिया आपका, वो हमने ऑब्जर्व कर लिया ना।
कोई चीज़ मुझे दी जाती है तो मतलब मैं इमीडिएटली उस पर काम करना, बिफोर लाइक मैं काम करना जल्दी से उस पर अटैक करना चाहता हूँ काम पे।
विदाउट डिटरमाइनिंग इट्स प्रायोरिटी।
प्रायोरिटी हमेशा वो मतलब रहती है,
अच्छा
बट कोई भी काम या कोई भी मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो मतलब थोड़ा मैं एग्जैक्टली इम्पल्सिव नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, बट पहले मैं इम्पल्सिव था, अभी मैंने थोड़ा कंट्रोल कर चुका हूँ मैं, बट पहले मैं
ये तो मतलब आप थोड़ा अगर रिलैक्स करके चीज़ों पे सोच के वर्क करना चालू करें तो ये तो इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा। जैसे आप किसी वर्क पे करते हैं तो थोड़ा प्लान करके करें तो हो ही जाएगा। तो वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम, इसलिए हमने थोड़ा ब्रीफ में लिया। इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट देन आप हमें कॉल करके कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू, गुड लक।